Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to take you through the Forex market wrap and just go through some interesting pairs of the week, and euro dollar is one of those pairs. We spoke about this, saying that the dollar is still technically short at the moment, and we have seen that continue here for the euro US dollar, with price breaking above these recent swing highs. What has been interesting though is that price has come into this key structure area 122.41, and we're starting to see some sellers gain a little bit of momentum in here. So that to me is suggesting that maybe the dollar buyers are just starting to creep back into the market. We may not see that continue because we still do have a resistance level up at 123, which is a really nice supply zone to look at. However, if the market was to break to the downside, then we could expect a move back down, maybe into this 119.89 area. But at the moment, we're still in this uptrend, so price is more than likely still going to head to the upside. So we still need to, until the technical factors line up for us, that we still have to be in line with the daily trend at the moment, which is still technically to the upside. So unless we see a breakout of this trend line support and this level through here, we should continue to be a buyer, or at least on the buy side of the market. Moving on to dollar CAD, then I was asked to take a little look at dollar CAD. CAD have been one of those stronger currencies recently, and I don't think that's particularly going to change too much too soon. We may see obviously that pullback here, for instance, but CAD has been pretty strong across the board, especially against the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. So if anything, I'll be looking for price to maybe continue that trend if we were going to see a little bit of a pullback here. What's interesting about this one is that price is starting to stall here. We are starting to see that the market is not really making any further lower lows. We're starting to get in low range candlesticks as well. Huge sign that the market is going to take a reversal here, very much like what we saw down through here. Very short candlesticks or low ranging candlesticks, and then we get a big influx and a big change in the direction of price back up into a resistance level. That's what I'm kind of expecting here. Low ranging candlesticks move back up into this resistance level for dollar CAD. Moving on to Kiwi Yen then. So we spoke about Kiwi Yen this week. We wanted to see the potential for this price breakdown. The weekly time frame basically suggesting that this could be a reversal. Again, if we look at sort of the weekly, look at these candlesticks closing back within each other's range. Again, very good sign that we could start seeing a bit of a reversal to this market. We've started to see that bearish reversal. Can that continue going into next week? I think it could, and I think we could see some further downside towards 76.67, as we pointed out in the previous video. The level of interest as well for us was this area just through here at 78.47. Price today has also rejected this area. We're creating this bit of consolidation on the 4 hour. If price was to break this 4 hour consolidation, I definitely think there's some further downside to be had in this market. Moving on to EURUSD then, I'd still like EURUSD long. Price has broken out of this weekly area of resistance or weekly range, and is looking to close above that range now. Plenty of daily closes above it. This to me is a long opportunity on a pullback to 156.37. So I'll be watching this zone through here, but a nice market to be watching going into next week. Thanks for watching the videos, and I'll speak to you soon.